Learning how to do payroll for employees is a crucial skill for any business owner or manager. It involves more than just issuing checks. It requires a deep understanding of tax regulations and benefit deductions. Whether you're new to payroll or looking to refine your process, this video will provide you with the essentials. And by the way, if you're looking to streamline your payroll and HR processes, then make sure to sign up to Gusto using my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out. Plus, if you click on my link and sign up, it doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Understanding payroll processing. Payroll processing is the way you pay your employees after each work period. It's not just about figuring out the total amount employees should receive. It involves calculating how much money needs to be taken out for taxes and benefits too. Then you have to ensure these payments reach your employees, the tax office, and any benefits providers like health insurance companies. In smaller businesses or for those who like to manage things closely, this job is usually done by someone in the HR department or a payroll expert. However, managing payroll is a detailed task that demands accuracy and a solid understanding of the laws involved. Making a mistake can lead to serious issues, so it's crucial to handle payroll carefully. This is why many businesses choose to use professional payroll services like Gusto to help them manage their responsibilities. The choice between manual and automated payroll. Handling payroll can be done in two main ways, manually or by using a service. When you do payroll manually, it means you or someone you've assigned will calculate the pay and deductions, write the checks, and make sure everything follows tax laws, all by yourself. This approach requires a deep understanding of payroll rules because even small mistakes can result in big fines. You need to be not just correct, but also precise every time you run payroll. Alternatively, many businesses choose to work with a payroll service provider like Gusto. These providers simplify payroll by automating the entire process. They charge a fee, usually between $20 to $100 per month, plus an extra $10 or less for each employee each pay period. For this fee, they manage everything from calculating wages and deducting taxes to actually paying your employees and taking care of the tax paperwork. This can greatly help busy business owners by turning payroll from a complex and time-consuming task into something straightforward and easy to manage. Using a payroll service can also reduce the chances of errors that could lead to penalties. It ensures that your payroll is handled by experts who are up to date with the latest tax laws and deductions. This peace of mind is often worth the cost for many businesses, as it frees them up to focus more on running their business rather than getting bogged down in administrative details. Getting ready for payroll. Before jumping into payroll, it's crucial to have all the necessary documentation ready. This means ensuring every employee has completed a Form W-4, which records their filing status and allowances. These forms are essential for calculating how much tax to withhold from each paycheck. Additionally, you'll need an employer identification number, EIN, provided by the IRS, and possibly a state tax number, which you can get from your state's tax office. Step-by-step payroll processing. The payroll process starts with setting everything up. Decide on a pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and stick to it. You'll also need a system to track employees' hours. This can be a traditional time clock, a digital system, or even a simple spreadsheet, depending on your business size and preference. Make sure your employees know how to properly record their time to ensure accuracy when it comes to getting paid. Next, you'll need to establish any benefits your company offers, like health insurance or retirement plans, and how much of the cost will be covered by the employee. This is crucial because these amounts need to be deducted from each paycheck. Understanding and managing the taxes associated with payroll is another critical component. You must know when and how much to pay in state and federal taxes and ensure you withhold the correct amounts from employee paychecks. Once you have all the preliminary data, review and approve the timesheets submitted by your employees. Check for any discrepancies and confirm that pay time off and overtime are recorded accurately. This step is vital to ensure everyone is paid correctly. Calculating gross pay is next. For salaried employees, this part is straightforward. Their pay is consistent each period. However, for hourly staff, you must multiply the hours worked by their hourly rate, adding any extra for overtime, typically paid at 1.5 times the regular rate. After gross pay comes deductions. Federal and state taxes need to be calculated based on the information provided on the W-4 form. You also need to deduct contributions for Social Security, Medicare, and any other benefits like 401k plans or health insurance. It's important to track each deduction carefully to ensure accuracy in both what you pay out and what you withhold. Finally, it's time to issue payment. Whether you choose to write checks or set up direct deposits, the amount you pay, known as net pay, is the gross pay minus all deductions. Each employee should also receive a pay stub, which outlines their earnings and deductions in detail, providing full transparency. At the end of the year, you must handle tax reports, specifically the W-2 forms that summarize annual wages and deductions for each employee. These need to be sent out by January 31st of the following year. Don't forget about record keeping. The IRS requires you to maintain payroll records for at least 4 years after paying the taxes due. This includes keeping track of time cards, payroll calculations, and payment records. The cost of doing payroll. If you choose to manage payroll yourself, the direct costs might be minimal, but the time and potential for error can be costly. Using a payroll service, though initially more expensive, can save significant time and reduce the risk of errors. Fees for these services vary, but considering they handle virtually all aspects of payroll, many businesses find the cost justifiable. So, accurate payroll processing is not just a legal requirement. It's a crucial part of business operations that affects employee satisfaction and your company's financial integrity. Whether you choose to manage payroll yourself or use a service, understanding each step of the process is vital. For those unsure or overwhelmed by the complexity of payroll, employing a payroll service might be the best way to ensure compliance and peace of mind. So, are you ready to take the headache out of payroll? Well, consider signing up for a full-service payroll provider today. These services streamline payroll management, ensuring accuracy and compliance while freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. These services streamline payroll management, ensuring accuracy and compliance while freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. Discover Gusto, the online platform designed for startups and small businesses, making payroll and benefits administration effortless. Sign up today by using my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.